Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And today's video is about a macro, and if you think you've seen this video before, you have. I had to redo it. I made a mistake in it and didn't realize it till after I'd posted it. But I have a macro I built into the deal. I'm going to press the C key as like in cat twice, and it's going to draw. Well, I got to click on my pick tool, but I go CC, and it draws across. I can move that out of the way. CC draws across that easily. I draw crosses a lot, and then you could resize this cross. You could change it. So we're gonna draw this and make a new macro. Let's just get these out of the way. I've got my macro right up here, record, but macro is under tools, and then at the very bottom is macros. The same thing I've got up here, but instead of having to go through this dialog, you've got it right here. So we're gonna record a macro, and first you just need to name it, and we're gonna call it cross 2, because I've already made a cross one. Then it started recording. It's recording right now. So I'm gonna get my rectangle tool, and I'm just gonna make a shape. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to rotate that duplicate 90 degrees, and I'm going to make sure this is unlocked, and I'm going to change this by 50%. Then I'm going to Control and put the cross about there. I'm going to select it all, and the macro is remembering all this. I'm going to weld. I'm going to take my shape tool, and let's just make it a little bit different. I do this sometimes when I have a plasma cutter. I cut out some metal and I'll make the cross just a little bit different. So now let's say that's going to be our new shape. So then what you do is go to macro and stop recording. Then we can move this out of the way, and we can go up to macro manager, which is underneath the tools too. And right here is cross 2. Let's just double click on it. And there it drew that cross. Now, the neat thing about this, while we're here, we could give it so you don't have to open this up. If you'll right click your mouse, assign a keyboard stroke for that macro, then you don't have to actually go find it, in your macros. My computer's a little bit slow this morning. Come on, baby. There it is. I'm going to assign it a keyboard stroke, and I'm just going to put a period, and I'm going to assign it. Then I'm going to press OK. Now we move this out of the way. I'm just going to hit the period on the keyboard. And because you're not in the text tool, the numbers or letter keys don't really count, but they do in this case. So there's your macro. So if I want my regular shape, I hit CC, and if I want the other one, I hit the period key. That's how easy a macro can be made. Now, all macros don't work. I've tried a bunch of them that didn't work, doing other things, but give it a try out and find if something you can't easily make that will help your life. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.